The sandbag lift has about 5 stages, in my opinion, that I think you need to follow to help you get the best out of your lifts. So to start with, you're going to position yourself around the sandbag. And stage 1, what we want to do is get as much of the bag on the forearms as possible. So this is where you see people rolling the bag side to side to tuck the hands under just a little bit more. Right, stage 1, roll the bag, try and get as much of your hand and palm underneath the bag as possible and your forearms in contact. Right, once your forearms are in contact, stage 2, chest up, hips down, brace the core and then stand up for the deadlift. Number 3, we need to get the bag in your lap, so bring your feet in, sit down and let the bag rest on your thighs. This is your chance to release your breath and then start taking a second breath for the next phases. Okay, so we want to take a solid grip, pull the bag in tight to the chest, really pull in, take your second breath and lift. And there you go. Your bag is up, you can then start walking around with it, you can do what you need to do with it, and then later on you can learn to roll it onto the shoulder.